Hello, welcome to Hong Kong strap. Today I'm going to show you guys how to insert the deployment class to the rubber strap and adjust. First, you need to open the class, and then you also need the 18mm spring bar remover, and then you need to insert it, and then you need to use the spring bar to put in the hole, and then all you need is your finger, okay, to insert it. And then you need to insert the spring bar to the right position. You need to popping. Once you see the spring bar go to the hole, and then right now it's stable, okay, because sometimes the spring bar is not in the right position, that's why it will pop out. So right now you can see the spring bar, the clasp was attached, okay. Right now you need to using your finger to open the clasp to insert it, strap. See, right now you insert it, that's why and then insert to a ring keeper. That's the way to keep to how to insert the clasp and then adjust the size of the strap, okay. Thank you.